The BTS VAB S-76, Unmanned Transport System for Off-Airfield Basing, is the first civilian transport unmanned aviation system in Russia to undergo type certification for civilian aviation, with a maximum launch weight exceeding 1,500 kilograms. It is being developed as part of a national initiative for unmanned aerial systems, with the primary objective of facilitating the efficient and autonomous transportation of cargo in regions with limited airport accessibility. The Sukhoi Design Bureau, which is a subsidiary of the United Aircraft Corporation, is currently in the process of developing the aircraft as part of Russia's initiative to develop a new generation of unmanned transport solutions. The project's main benefit is its capacity to facilitate logistics in remote regions, such as Arctic territories, Siberia, and hard-to-reach industrial zones, where ground transportation is either inefficient or unattainable. The BTS VAB S-76 is engineered to operate with minimal human intervention as a fully unmanned platform, thereby substantially reducing operational expenses. The BTS VAB S-76 is designed to be a transport aircraft that can operate autonomously during launch, flight, navigation, and landing, using remote operator control and satellite navigation. It can take off and land from simple surfaces like dirt paths or makeshift areas without needing a proper runway, thanks to its ability to operate away from traditional airfields. It is constructed with a focus on safety and durability, incorporating redundant avionics, fail-safe architecture, and composite materials that are optimized for strength-to-weight efficiency. The aircraft's automation system enables a single operator to supervise missions of up to 12 drones simultaneously, demonstrating a high degree of autonomy in obstacle management, flight safety, and route planning. The system is built to hold regular cargo containers and packaged goods, making it easier to manage logistics for both businesses and government use. According to civilian standards, the system is a heavy-class unmanned transport platform because its maximum takeoff weight is more than 1,500 kilograms. The drone's operational ceiling extends to 4,000 meters, and its cruise speed is approximately 180 kilometers per hour. It is capable of carrying payloads of up to 300 kilograms over a distance of approximately 500 kilometers. Such performance parameters enable it to offer a viable alternative to conventional road transport and small manned aircraft in areas with inadequate infrastructure. The avionics suite includes energy-efficient engines, automatic navigation, communication systems for remote control, and onboard checks, which aid in the aircraft's extended flight time and reduced maintenance requirements. The project is currently in the mock-up commission stage, which marks the official commencement of the type certification procedure under the Russian Federal Aviation Rules, FAR 21. Experts evaluate the design for airworthiness, structural integrity, environmental compliance, aircraft safety, operational procedures, and risk management systems during this phase. Each component and system must demonstrate compliance with the approved certification basis before the aircraft can enter operational service. The certification roadmap includes component bench testing, ground trials, laboratory evaluations, and full-scale flight testing to build up proof of reliability and safety. This phase is crucial because it affects the aircraft's approval and commercial launch timelines. The BTS VAB S-76 is designed to revolutionize logistics in Russia by facilitating the cost-effective delivery of products in remote regions, such as the Northern Territories, island communities, and sparsely populated industrial zones. Besides carrying regular cargo for businesses, it could also be used to deliver medical supplies, transport important spare parts for power plants, help with emergency response efforts, and automatically distribute everyday goods. The system is expected to enhance reliability under severe environmental conditions, reduce delivery costs, and expedite supply chains by reducing reliance on runways and trained flight crews. The aircraft has the potential to serve as the foundation for scalable networks of unmanned cargo routes if certification proceeds according to the established timeline. As the BTS VAB S-76 is currently undergoing certification, the final operational configuration may differ from the initial prototypes, and certain technical details may evolve. Infrastructure development, regulatory integration, and communication reliability in remote locations continue to be critical components of full commercial deployment. However, the strategic significance of the project and the accelerated development path it represents suggests that the government is providing significant support despite these obstacles. The development of the Russian unmanned transport system, BTS VAB S-76, places it among a growing class of heavy cargo unmanned aerial vehicles globally, where projects such as Europe's Dronamics, Black Swan, China's W5000, China's CHYH-1000, and the U.S. Saberwing Regal all illustrate the global push toward autonomous logistics aircraft. Compared to these, the S-76's combination of a takeoff mass over 1,500 kilograms, capability for substantial cargo loads, and its off-airfield operational design positions it between mid-tonnage and heavy-class systems, offering a unique balance of capability, autonomy, and flexibility in the civilian cargo UAV domain. In conclusion, the BTS S-76 is an important step in the field of civil autonomous aviation in Russia. It is a new model for efficient, scalable, and safe air logistics, featuring sophisticated automation, off-airfield operating flexibility, and a heavy-class cargo capability. The project is anticipated to facilitate the extensive use of unmanned cargo transport in Russia and potentially in international markets as certification and testing progress. If you think the video was informative, please like, subscribe, and share. Please also take membership of the channel to encourage us